Every profitable business is using this right now. And so you've probably heard, for you to make money online in the digital world, you have to work smart and not hard. But most people don't even know what that means. And I'm going to tell you right now, that means automating processes and communication. And today, the best form of communication is not email anymore. It's Instagram DMs. So when running your campaigns, instead of sending emails with a 15% open rate, that's if your list is good, you should be sending DMs with a 90% open rate. But the problem is that most people don't have the time to send 200, 300 DMs every single day. But that's where automation comes in. And so by putting Builder automation to work for you, your business can have more efficiency, more performance, and more results. So the choice is yours. You can work hard and spend 6 hours a day answering the same questions on Instagram, or you can work smart and have the Builder automation answering questions for you 24/7. So visit builderall.com and start your automation today.